Hello, I am Dr. Che, and in this video I will write the part 2 of Model Essay 13. This is to what extent do you agree or disagree essay, and this is essay writing course in particular for Ielts or TOEFL exams and in general for any English learner. Please subscribe to my channel, look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups, like and comment to encourage me, share with other students to help them. Subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. My vocabulary and grammar courses are ready on my channel, and nowadays I am on writing course. Then I would go for other modules. This is an overview of my essay writing course. I have started from 4 assessment criteria. Then I would go for each different videos: time management, how to plan, generate ideas, introductions, conclusions, and many more videos. Then I would go for each type of essay. Nowadays I am on essay number 6, and I am writing model essay number 13. I have written more than 15 model essays in my course, and I would guide you complete by step everything. To watch the other courses and this course in order, open playlist of my channel. If you don't know how to open, link is given below in the description box. I would write a complete model essay and explain you everything step by step. I would intentionally make some mistakes in my essay to test your knowledge. At the end I would correct the mistakes and would explain you in detail. This was the question: governments should spend money on railways rather than roads. To what extent do you agree or disagree? This was my brainstorming. I have written body paragraph number 1 related to idea number 1. Now I am going to write body paragraph 2 related to idea 2. Comfort of travel, refreshment facilities, comfortable seats, first aid facilities and other things that you can say about benefits of preference of railway over other transport of roads. So my second reason is, I could start from secondly or another reason for giving preference to railways over conventional roads is comfort of travel. Then we need to expand it. Let us make a complex sentence. Although I acknowledge that nowadays more and more advanced and comfortable transport is being offered on roads, but trains, you can also use but, without but also is okay, but trains seem to be the best choice in this regard. Although I acknowledge that nowadays more and more advanced and comfortable transport is being offered on roads, on roads, trains seem to be the best choice in this regard. Let us explain it a bit more. Not only trains provide refreshment facilities. That I have in brainstorming we have used this one. Facilities where we can find something like that, where fresh and healthy food is available. They also provide comfortable seats and some areas to relax or sleep, something like that. Moreover, some governments provide first aid. Some governments facilities and even more advanced life-saving medical facilities on entrance, so that what people can travel without any stress about their health. You can add when there is a long distance, we need some medical facilities also, so you can add something. All of these facilities make train journeys more comfortable than those by road. So railways should be on the top of spending list of governments. So railways should be on the top of spending list of governments. So this was my second body paragraph. Now we should go for conclusion. In conclusion, first of all, we would write transition signal that I usually use in conclusion only. Then summarize your main reasons. Then you have to restate your opinion. Okay, these are three things. We would start from in conclusion. Not only, as I told you that in to what extent essay, when you are writing a conclusion, you can write a not only sentence, that would be very good. Not only do trains give opportunities for cheaper travel, they also provide more facilities to their passengers. Therefore, I agree that governments should invest in railways than roads. Therefore, I agree that government should invest in railways than roads. So this was my conclusion, and now I need to proofread my whole essay. For what? For spelling mistakes, punctuation mistakes, subject verb agreements, any vocabulary mistake, sentence fragments, other grammar mistakes that are common in your own writings. If you should know about your own uh, writing ability. Then we are going to proofread. It is true that more and more railways are being built nowadays than ever before. In fact, I agree that more public money should be spent on railways as they are a cheaper and comfortable way to commute. Okay, they are cheaper. It is comparative here. Then the comfortable is not comparative. So we should use parallel structures that are joined by and. So we can use more, cheaper and more comfortable. Firstly, the cost of traveling. If you don't know how to make comparatives, go to my grammar course. There is a complete video on how to make comparatives. Firstly, the cost of traveling is far lower by trains in comparison with driving. In most countries, trains are owned by national or local governments, and there is less competition for lower fares. There is spelling mistake. Fares is with FARES, resulting in relatively smooth and constant expenditure for each journey. Moreover, some governments give travel discounts to students and the elderly, which make elderly and then which make. This is plural. Elderly, we are using make, a plural verb. That is fine. No, we are using which is referring to the whole this clause. So when this is referring to the whole class, then we should use singular verb, which makes it a favorite mode of travel. Therefore, taking into account the significantly lower prices of train travel, particularly for some specific age groups, governments should prioritize railways over roads while spending public money on transport. Another reason for giving preference to railways over conventional roads is comfort of travel. Although I acknowledge that nowadays more and more advanced and comfortable transport is being offered on roads, trains seem to be the best choice in this regard. Not only this, there is an error of inversion. If you don't know inversion, go to my playlist of my channel. There is a complete video in my grammar course on inversion. Not only we would use inversion here, not only do trains provide refreshment facilities where fresh and healthy food is available, they also provide comfortable seats and more areas to relax. Moreover, some governments provide first aid facilities and even more advanced life-saving medical facilities in trains so that people can travel without any stress about their health. All of these facilities make train journeys more comfortable than those by roads. So travel railways should be on the top of spending list of governments. In conclusion, not only do there is inversion, that is okay. Not only do trains give opportunities for cheaper travel, they also provide more facilities to their passengers. Therefore, I agree that governments should invest in railways than roads. So after watching my complete essay writing course, you would be able to write very good essays, but always get some feedback before taking your final exam. That is very important to assess your writing. I would also start my correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I am busy nowadays. I would hire an IELTS expert from UK, a native English teacher, and we would both work together. Uh, we would both work together to provide you advanced, comprehensive, and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. You can also join my Facebook group for more updates. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. Subscribe and get more free courses. And press bell icon also to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening, and reading also. Thank you very much. My vocabulary and grammar course is already on my channel. Nowadays I'm working on writing course. Thank you.